They came, they saw, they rode, they raced, they honked, they tightened, but most importantly, they learned. Tucson Electric Power once again participated in Southern Arizona Construction Career Days. Thousands of middle and high school students viewed demonstrations and participated in activities with TEP employees.
This is my second Southern Arizona Construction Career Days. I'm a huge fan of it. TEP has such a large presence in the community. It's good to get out here and interact with the kids and get them involved.
We use some pretty large tools, and we have a lot of automated things with switches and buttons, so they get pretty excited, and we can show them just the sheer size of things, and then when they can push buttons and see the other side of what that action does.
And our employees know just how life-changing an event like this can be for these students.
I do remember coming here during high school. From this event, they did offer through JTED, a tour at the company, and then 3 or 4 years later, I got on with the company from that.
It's great because I know when I was in their shoes years ago, I was totally out of touch with any of this kind of stuff. I didn't know anybody that worked here. I didn't personally experience anything like this, but I wish I would have, because it's a huge eye-opener.